The Court of Appeals heard arguments in the case of Purvi Patel this week. Patel was charged with feticide and child neglect resulting in death in 2015. Joining us now is reporter Amy Gastelum. She's been following the case closely. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.
Let's see if we can try and clear this up a little bit. So what happened to put Purvi Patel in prison for 20 consecutive years?
So text messages from her phone showed that she had an unintended pregnancy that she was trying to hide from her strict Hindu parents. The messages also showed that she didn't know how far along she was when she took abortion drugs that she bought online from a pharmacy based in Hong Kong. Presumably, it was those drugs that caused her to lose her pregnancy in July of 2013 when she delivered an extremely preterm infant alone at her home. When her bleeding didn't stop, she went to the hospital and told the healthcare providers that she miscarried. They believed that she may have actually had a live birth, and so they called the police. The police ended up finding the body of the 1.5-pound extreme preemie in the place where she told them she put it, and that was when she was charged with child neglect resulting in the death of a dependent. A few months later, she was charged with feticide for taking the abortion drugs in the first place.
So why has this case got so much attention?
This case has gotten a lot of attention because this is the first time in the nation that the feticide statute has been used to convict a woman for ending her own pregnancy, and that sets legal precedents in Indiana and possibly other states. The medical community has come out saying that prosecuting women for outcomes of their own pregnancies may deter other women, pregnant women, from seeking care if they're afraid that they might be prosecuted. So that's not good for moms or babies. And the other reason this case has gotten a lot of attention is because the only other time the feticide statute has been used in Indiana was to charge another woman of color, a Chinese immigrant, and so reproductive justice groups in particular are concerned about the exclusive application of this statute to women of color.
So now the defense says that Indiana's feticide laws were created to protect mothers. What does the defense feel the intent of the law is, and how does that differ with the Patel's conviction?
So in 1978 is when the feticide statute was written in Indiana, and it was written to punish people who harm pregnant women, resulting in the death of her fetus. It's never been used against a pregnant woman herself. And the defense, many states who have feticide laws on the books have exemptions for pregnant women, not so in Indiana, though her defense argued during the appeal that even if that exemption doesn't exist on the books, the debate about the statute's intention can still be had.
So what happens next? What now?
So the Court of Appeals has 6 months to respond, but I understand it will probably be earlier than that.
Okay, thank you very much for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you.